I'm Randy Hall. I'm the CEO of Securafy, and I'd like to talk about some of the services that we offer. And there's three questions I always get in a meeting with a prospective client. Who are you? Why should you use it? How much does it cost? So I thought I'd address that right here, straight up. We offer a lot of different services. It's not a one size fits all. And I don't know what service you need. It's like walking to a doctor's office, saying, doctor, I need to see you. And without letting the doctor do any diagnosis, not take your temperature, not take your weight, not look in your ears, throat, no MRI, no blood work, and saying, how much is this going to cost? I don't know yet. So here's what I'd like to do. We'll run a free network cybersecurity and penetration test. The results of that test will come back. We'll have them within a week. We'll share them with you in a 1-hour meeting or less. You get the copy. No one else gets a copy. This will show you exactly what we found and what you need to be compliant, be safe, and be secure. It won't be us saying it. We use an independent third party. These tests are extremely valuable. If you Google it, you'd find out you might pay as much as 10 grand. We'll provide it for free. We have a contract with them. We do this and we use a third party because we want you to know that those are legitimate results, legitimate diagnostics. It's like we had an MRI, a CAT scan, blood work, everything, EKG of your network and your endpoints and your users, what they're doing. Now we can share with you exactly where your security holes are, where your dangers is, where your breaches could happen. And we'll talk to you about what we can do to solve that. We'll give you a proposal. You're under no obligation. But here's how I find out what you need. If your things are going very well, if you're really covered, maybe you only need something in the compliance area. We offer compliance as a service. Maybe your own IT department is handling it, whether internal or outsourced. Maybe they're handling a lot of things good, but not everything. Maybe you're only missing a few components. So we start with what we call our essential care. It has a minimum number of features that we have that will protect you and make sure that you can be secure. Doesn't meet all the compliance requirements, but it meets 90% of them. It is meant to be the very minimal package that we can use to support you. Our minimal package, essential care, is richer than most of our competition's top-notch plan. And it's at a small business price. That's why we think you'll find the real value. We give you more than most of our compliance gives you in their top-end price, our entry-level price. For those of you who have compliance issues, which you have to meet or exceed and need advanced security, we have our advanced cybersecurity package. It's called Securacare. It's our middle-of-the-line package. In fact, it's where probably 70–80% of our clients start. They like it. It covers all the bases. They're covered. Now, there are some clients who are high risk. You have CMMC compliance because you're a Department of Defense contractor or you're subject to DoD rules. You provide services to the government, so you have to comply with CMMC. You're in the medical industry and you have to do something with HIPAA. You want that advanced, really advanced services compliance. You have to have it. That's what we call our complete care. It's top to bottom. It's not just everything in essential care and secure care. It's advanced cybersecurity. It's advanced compliance as a service, and it includes our VCCO services, which is a virtual Chief Information Security Officer, all bundled up in one package. Easy to budget for, easy to plan. Not everybody needs that top of the line package. In fact, not everybody needs the middle of the line package. I don't know what you need until we see where you're at. So like the doctor, we need to run that diagnosis. If anybody comes out to you and offers you a price without doing a diagnosis first, if a doctor offers you a prescription without doing a diagnosis, that's malpractice. They could lose their license. You should be very leery if somebody offers you a price without running a diagnosis on your network to find out how sick it is. That's malpractice too. So I just wanted to share that with you, that it's not one size fits all. And we have different services. Maybe you won't need just a code managed program because you already have your own internal program, your own internal IT department. We can accommodate that too. Maybe you need our framework and our tools, but you want your in-house people to use them. We can work with you there. We have solutions. We can customize them for you. We can make them easy to budget for, easy to plan for. You own the risk. You have to decide how much you want to offload. But if you don't know what risk you have, let us show you. There's no obligation. Again, incredible value. How many of you can get paid $10,000 for 1 hour of your time? That's what we're giving you, a $10,000 value. It's real. Google it. You'll see I'm not exaggerating this. Take advantage of it. You don't know what you don't know, and now's the way to find out. Give us a call.